Okay, welcome back to part 2 of our little fuzzy Frank, Mr. Frankenstein. So here we are finishing stuffing the head and closing it up. I fixed his eye that popped out. Like I said, I hope you stuffed first and then did the details on the face. But it's up to you, however you want to do it. And then here we're going to be doing the neck. So the neck, you just start in the back like I'm showing you. And then go around, just do like a basting stitch or gathering stitch, whatever you call it, I'm not sure. And then you'll tie it. But one other thing that I did, like I said, this is my first experience with making something like this. So I strangled him a little bit too much, poor Frank. You're supposed to tie it tight, but one side of him ended up a little bit lopsided. So I tried to sew that in better afterwards, but he's still a little lopsided on one side. Anyway, don't do that. So you just, like I'm showing you here, tie it, but maybe not quite as tight. Poor Frank. I strangled him, I think. Sorry, Frank. Isn't he cute, though? He's already so cute. I'm not that thrilled with the bow that I used on him and the ribbon, but it's all the only Halloween stuff I had, and I didn't want to go out and buy anything. So you do whatever you want with his neck. You could even make a bow or a bow tie for him. It'd be cute. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're moving on to the ears. So I didn't show you the process of doing the ears and the arms because I thought it was pretty boring. So I did 3 rows of the gray for each ear, so do 2 of those. And then I'm going to show you how to attach one of them next, and then we'll move on to the arms. Did I say legs before? I meant arms if I said legs. I think I'm brain damaged after doing this video. It doesn't take much. I'm sure you can relate. Or maybe you can't. Hopefully you can't. So anyway, then do the other ear, obviously. And then I've got the 2 arms. One came out a little bit bigger in the gray. I think I did a couple extra rows there. So what they're supposed to be is the hands should be 5 rows and the arms should be 8 rows. And then I just show you how to attach one of them. I closed up both ends and then attached them. Well, after I stuffed it, I closed the other end because I wanted him to be really secure. Okay, Buffy, go over there. This is a really quick project if you're not trying to do a video, I think. So get that arm on, and then obviously you'll want to put the other one on. And try to make your rows even. It's really easy to lose count with if you don't have a row counter with this furry yarn. It's just, I don't know, it's hard to keep track and it's hard to count too. After the fact, it's hard to count it. I don't know if you do what I do, watching TV while you're doing this. It can be a distraction. Okay, so we've got that on. And now there's our adorable, fuzzy Frank. Isn't he cute? I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what tutorials you want to see in the future too. Okay, thanks for watching.